A very good morning to students. Today I will teach you the introduction to Windows. This is for the class 3rd. First, what is window? You can see this. This is the icon of the window. Window is a user-friendly operating system which allows the user to install programs and software on computer system. Now you can see this. Windows is a type of software which can be categorized as both the application software and system software. Now look at the example of the Windows. You have already seen the window in your computer system. Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP and Windows Vista. These all are the example of operating system or Windows. Without operating system or Windows, we cannot run the computer system. Now look at the options of the Windows. First is taskbar. When you turn on the Windows, you can see all this option. This is the version of Windows 8. The taskbar is at the bottom of the computer screen. This is the taskbar. It shows which are currently running and allows to switch between them. Which program is already running in your program? That is shown by the taskbar. Taskbar also contains as the start button which give you the options. Now second is the desktop. This is the screen which is open on, that is called the desktop. The first screen, the desktop is the main screen you see after you log on to the computer is called the desktop. Now look at here, this is the slide bar. The slide bar on the side or your computer screen which contains small programs like called gadgets. Gadgets like these features, calendar, clock. So these all are the gadgets. This feature is present exclusively on Windows 7. This is the icon of Windows 7. Now, Windows software can perform any task related to the system and the user. Window screen. It is also a part of window. A window screen is rectangular area on the desktop which usually contains a number of standard parts. These all are the parts. Desktop icon. You can see here. When you turn on the screen, there are so many small pictures you can see. These all are called the icons. When you first time install a window in your computer system, there are only one icon are there. That is called recycle bin. The image shown here are some of the example of desktop icons. These all are the types of icons. Now, suppose you want to open any icon or any program. What you have to do? To start or open a program, you need to double click on that representative icon. Look at this. This is the mouse. Mouse has two buttons, left and right. So you have to press the left button to open the program. First click the program and then open it. Look at. When you click the Internet Explorer, it looks like this. Let us study about how to create a shortcut. Suppose you want to make a shortcut in your computer system. What you have to do? Adding shortcut to desktop. First, locate the item for which you want to create a shortcut. For example, the folder name is Tangled. Suppose I want to make the Tangled folder. अगर मुझे Tangle नाम का एक शॉर्टकट बनाना है तो क्या करेंगे? Look at here. राइट क्लिक द आइटम. माउस के राइट बटन को क्लिक करेंगे. द हाईलाइट ऑफ द सेंड टू ऑप्शन. दिस लिस्ट ए फ्यू ऑप्शन. यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन द डेस्कटॉप ऑप्शन to create a shortcut on this location. Adding a shortcut to desktop. This eventually creates a shortcut for the particular item on the desktop. This is the name is Tangled. So this shortcut will come here. Now window desktop. The window desktop will have the following icons: system icons, application icon, document icon, and disk drive icon. So these all are the overview of Windows. Now quiz time. First, what do you understand by window? Second, write any 3 example of window. And third is what is desktop. So listen this video and give this answer.